Hi, I'm Reese with Passport Photo Now, the easiest and fastest way for you to get your passport photos. With country-specific ordering processes, we ensure you get the right passport photo the first time. You simply won't find a faster, easier passport photo solution anywhere else. Did you know that bad photographs are the most common reason for the rejection of passport applications? With our more than 30 years of experience and knowledge of what is needed for your photos to pass, we guarantee if you supply us with a good photo, we will size and print your photo correctly the first time, or we will make it again for free. At Passport Photo Now, our mission is to provide you with passport photos that will be accepted the first time, so that you can expedite the passport process. We print passport-sized photos that fit your unique passport, visa, citizenship, and ID photo requirement needs. Simply follow our 10 tips on how to take a passport photo webpage and send us your picture. If the photo you sent doesn't meet quality standards, we will let you know so that you can send another. Our team's mission is to provide you with top-notch ID photo services and customer care that will not be beaten. Follow our simple instructions and we'll send your passport photos in just a few days. So don't wait, order today.